myself Kukreja Rahul. In today's session we have to also move for the revision questions. Okay, and in today's session we have to check the extra revision question and advanced level questions of the chapter number 1. Okay, so as per the previous session we already seen the some type of the questions and some questions that are from the chapter number 1. Okay, so let's start. As per the I'll give you homework. Okay, we have to move for the last question. From the last question of the given in your homework. Okay, from that question we have to start today's session. Okay, so let's start. Last question that I'll give you in your homework, that is cube root 3. From this question we have to start square root 5 and cube root 2. So students, first of all we have to convert all of this into the same power. Okay, so here is the 3, so I'll take that is 3 raised to 1 upon 3 into 5 raised to 1 upon 2 into 2 raised to 1 upon 3. Clear that? Now at here these two numbers have a same base, same power, so we have to multiply their base, raised to 1 upon 3 into 5 raised to 1 upon 2. So therefore your answer will be 3 to the 6 raised to 1 upon 3 into 5 raised to 1 upon 2. Okay, so now as per this question we have to want the either same power or either same base. Okay, we want the either same power or either the same base, so we should to take the LCM of the both of them numbers, that is 3 and 2. Okay, so LCM of 3 and 2, that is 6, so that's why we have to multiply 1 upon 3 to multiply 2 at the both side into 5 1 upon 2 raised to 3 to both side to have a to take same power. Okay, so 6 raised to 2 by 6 into 5 raised to 3 by 6. Okay, so here now 6 square raised to 1 by 6 into 5 cube raised to 1 by 6. Now both of them have a same power, so we have to multiply the base, 6 square into 5 cube raised to 1 by 6. So therefore 6 square, that is 36, into 5 cube, that is 125. So now 125 into 36, that is 125 into 36, that is 5 3 are 15, 1 carry 3 to 6 plus 1 7, 3 into 3, 6 5 are 30, 3 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 1 6 1 6 plus 1 7, 0 10, some 14 plus 1 15, 4 5 0 0, 4 5 0 0 raised to 1 by 6. So your answer will be in square root at here, that is 6 and 4500. As per, I'll give you the answer of this question. Okay, understand? So you have to get this sum and you have to do this sum as this kind. Okay, so now take next question, that is simplify. Okay, the question is that 4 root 3 minus root 2 in second bracket 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3, 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Clear that? So now we should to multiply the each of number to the whole bracket, we should to multiply each of this number to the whole bracket and this number also with the whole bracket. Okay, so 4 root 3 should be multiplied to the 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3, and minus root 2 is also multiplied with the 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Clear that? So 4 root 3 into 3 root 2, that is 4 3s are 12, root 3 into root 2, that is root 6, plus 4 5s are 20, root 3 into root 3, that is 3. Clear? 3 1s are 3, root 2 into root 2, that is 2, minus plus minus, 5 into 1, that is 5, root 2 into root 3, that is root 6. So therefore the answer will be 12 root 6 plus 23 are 60, minus 3 2s are 6, minus 5 root 6. So therefore 12 root 6 minus 5 root 6, that is 12 root 6 minus 5 root 6, that is 5 plus 2 7 root 6, and 60 minus 6, that is 52. Sorry, not 52, that is 54 plus 54. Here that is your final answer. Clear that? This is the basic sum and this is the simplest sum of this type of the question. Okay. Now again we have to take this simplify. Note down the question, that is 25 raised to 3 by 2 into 243 raised to 3 by 5, 243 raised to 3 by 5 upon 16 raised to 5 by 4 into 8 raised to 4 by 3. So students, you must to take first of all solve with yourself. I'll give you 5 minutes. You have to solve first of all yourself and after I'll do that. Okay, at here. Done? I'm also doing that. 25, that is 5 square. So I'll write it here, 5 square raised to 3 by 2 into 243, that is 3 raised to 5 into 3 by raised to 3 into 5, 3 by 5, or 16, that is 2 raised to 4 raised to 5 by 4 into 8 is, that is 2 cube raised to 4 by 3. So now power of the power are multiplied to each of them, that is 2 2 are cancel out, 5 5 cancel out, 4 4 cancel out, and 3 3 are cancel out. So the answer will be 5 cube into 3 raised to 3 cube upon 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 4. So 5 cube into 3 cube, so 5 into 3 raised to cube, and 2 raised to 5 plus 4, base are same, so power are multiplied to each other. Okay, so 5 plus 4 9, and here 5 3s are 15. 15 cube upon 2 raised to 9. Clear that? 15 cube upon 2 raised to 9. This is your final answer. if you want to take simplify more, so you have to find the cube of the 15 and 2 raised to 9, okay, and multiply 2 9 times, so your answer will be 512 when you take to multiply 2 9 times, okay. Clear? So now we have to take a more interesting question again, and this is tricky question or maybe a tough question rather than anyone. Here that is question is 5 raised to minus 1 into 7 square upon 5 square into 7 raised to minus 4. Now we have to deal with the negative powers. Raised to 7 by 2 into 5 raised to minus 2 into 7 cube upon 5 cube into 7 raised to minus 5 and raised to power, that is minus 5 by 2. Clear? This is your question. So again I'll give you the 5 minutes for this question. You have to solve first of all yourself. After I'll move for that. Okay. Done. So now we have to move for that. First of all, here negative power is given, so main problem is at here, that is your power will be negative. So with the negative power we can't take any kind of the law, and we can't take any kind of the addition and subtraction of power with the same base or either different base, okay. So we should to follow the law with the always positive power, okay. So here first of all we have to convert the powers into the positive. So whenever I have to convert the power into the positive, so that number base number that should be replaced with the reciprocal, okay, that is replaced with the reciprocal. If here you see that 5 raised to minus 1 at here is given in the numerator, so it will be changed and it comes down into the numerator, because I'll take the negative power as a positive, and 7 raised to minus 4 is negative and it's in the denominator, so I'll convert that into the positive power, so I'll shifted that to the numerator. So 7 raised to 4 into 7 square is already given at here, okay. So my all powers are taken positive at here, okay, are converted into the positive, and raised to 7 by 2 already given. Now at here also I'll convert 5 raised to minus 2 are shifted to denominator, and 7 raised to minus 5 that are shifted to the numerator to make a positive power. So 7 raised to 5 into 7 cube is already given at here, and 5 cube is already given at the denominator. Now 5 raised to minus 2 are shifted to the denominator, so now your power will be positive at here, okay. And again at here minus 5 by 2 is given at here, I'll convert it this power later after the question solved at here. So here base are same, so power will be added. So 7 raised to 4 plus 2 6 upon 5 raised to 2 plus 1 3 into 7 raised to here its power will be whole raised to 7 by 2 into again 8 here 7 raised to 5 plus 3 8 upon 5 raised to 3 plus 2 5 5 raised to 5 raised to minus 5 by 2. Okay, so now I'll converted this power into the positive, so I'll shifted this both of the number at the numerator and denominator. 5 raised to 5 shifted to the numerator and 7 raised to 8 are shifted to the denominator, so my power will be changed into the converted into the positive. Okay, so therefore you should to write like 7 raised to 6 upon 5 cube raised to 7 by 2 into 5 raised to 5 upon 7 raised to 8. Now power will be positive, that is raised to 5 by 2. Clear that? Now both of the powers 7 by 2 and 5 by 2 are shifted to the both of the numbers that are to the numerator and denominator. Okay, that are allotted to the both of the numbers. So 7 raised to 6 into 7 by 2 and upon 5 cube into 7 by 2 multiply by 5 raised to 5 into 5 by 2 upon 7 raised to 8 into 5 by 2. Okay, so here we have to take cancellation if any required. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 fours are, not any kind of the cancellation are required now. So 7 threes are 21, 7 raised to 21 upon 5 raised to 7 threes are 21 by 2 into 5 raised to 5 5s are 25 by 2 upon 7 raised to 4 5s are 20. Okay, now at here base are same and both of them are in the division, so power will be subtracted. Okay, so therefore I'll write that 7 raised to 21 minus 20 into same kind of the we have to do in the 5. Both of the 5s are into the one of them numerator and one of them is in denominator, so we should to take subtract the power of the both of them. 25 by 2 minus 21 by 2. So therefore 7 raised to 21 minus 20, that is 1 into 5 raised to, here the base are same, so we have to subtract 25 minus 21 by 2. So therefore 7 into 5 raised to 25 minus 21, that is 4 by 2. 2 2's cancel out, 2 2's are 4. Okay, so 7 into 5 square, so the answer will be 7 into 5 square 25. 25 sevens are, that is 25 sevens are, it should be 25 fours are 100, 25 5 6 7, that is 175. So your final answer will be 175. Clear that? So you need to do this sum like this method. Okay, so this is the one of the tricky question or one of them tough question among we are doing. Okay, so if you want to note down this question, then please note down this first, and after the 2 minutes we have to follow the next question. Okay, so now we have to follow the next question. Next following question, that is, now power are given now as a variable. Okay, now power is given as a variable, that is, if 21 if 27 raised to x is equal to 9 by 3 raised to x, then at here you should to find the x. So find x. Dear students, first of all we have to do this sum. Okay, so before this solving this question, I'll give you the some important thing, that is, you should to note down all that sums that I'll teach you in the revision question. Okay, so please note down that in your fair book. Okay, so that's all kind of the question are important for you, because of the all kind of this question are asked as a talent search competition. Okay, and this kind of the question are a very important kind of the question that increase your knowledge and intelligence. Okay, so let's start again. We are moving on the question. So that thing you must to remember, that you should to note down all these questions in your fair book. Okay, that's these questions are not examination purpose question, but you should to note down in your fair book. So now at here 27 raised to x is equal to 9 by 3 raised to x are given. So therefore 27, that is 3 cube, and raised to x are also given, equal to 9. I'll calculate that is as a 3 square, and 3 raised to x is also given. So at here therefore power of the power are multiplied, so 3 raised to 3x is equal to 3 raised to, now both of the numbers have the same base and in the division, so we should to subtract their power. So 3 raised to 2 minus x, clear that? So therefore 3 raised to 3x is equal to 3 raised to 2 minus x. Now both of the numbers have the same base and have equality, so their power must to be equal. So we have to take their power must to be equal to each other. So therefore I'll write that 3x is equal to 2 minus x directly. Okay, so therefore I'll write the power directly as a equal. Now x are shifted to at here, that is 3x plus x equal to 2. So therefore 4x equal to 2. So your answer will be x equal to 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. So your value of the x, that is 1 by 2. Clear that? Answer of the x, that is 1 by 2. Here the same kind of the question is given. So I'll take again that same kind of the question. First of all I'll note down that question, and you should to take yourself first. So your question may be 2 raised to x minus 5 into 5 raised to x minus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, so same kind of the question is given at here. Find the value of x. Same at here. Find value of x. First of all you have to do yourself. So let's start to do that. Okay, I hope all of you have to completed this question. So please verify your answer with me. That is 2 raised to x minus 5 into 5 raised to x minus 4 is equal to 5. Now we know that if I have an equality and end of the both of side I have the same base, so I'll take their power as a equal. So at here only 5 is given as a same number, but here is 2 also given, but at here right hand side there is a 2 is not given. So I'll write that 2 raised to 0. Why should I write 2 raised to 0? Because of the any number raised to 0, that answer will be 1. So 5 into 1, that will be always equal to the 5. So I'll not change any kind of the question, okay, but I'll write the one part that is forming same base, okay, but with the not changes of any kind of the question. Okay, I am not changing question, but I am changing their structure to make equal base. Clear that? So now at here 5 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0. Now both of them have same base, 5 and 2, and have equal. So I'll take 2 raised to x minus 5 is equal to the 2 raised to 0, and 5 raised to x minus 4 with the 5 raised to 1. So therefore I'll take x minus 5 is equal to 0, power with the power, and again x minus 4 is equal to 1, this power with the this one. So the answer will be at here, that is x equal to 5, and at here also x equal to 1 plus 4, that is x equal to 5. Clear that? So in the both of them my answer are 5 for the value of the x. Clear? I am not changing the question as per the given, because of the I am just here my 5 raised to 1 is given at the RHS. So 5 raised to 1, that means answer will be 5 itself. So I'll multiply 1 with them. So my answer is not changed. But we know that any number that is that have power 0, so that is equal to the also 1. So I'll make sure that is I have a 2 as a base at here left hand side. So I have to must to take 2 and raise to power 0 to form equal to the 1. Okay, so that's why I'll take 2 raised to 0 at this place. Okay, because of the ultimately that are converted into that are converted as a 1. Okay, clear that? So you have to solve this kind of the question as like this. So students, I hope all of you are enjoying this class very much, and all of things you are understand. Okay, now in the next session we have to take more questions that are related to the chapter 1 again. Okay, so I hope all of you are enjoying this class. Okay, so if you have any query, so please notify me. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.